Hello friends, welcome to mcqforall.com. I'm your host Amit and let's start with the current affairs of date 30 and 31st of July. So on 30th of sorry, it should be July. Okay. So I have some cough, so you may not get my voice clearly, but bear with me because I'm trying my best to be on continuous format of current affairs and the other information which I provide on mcqforall.com. Alright, so on 30th of July, Microsoft rolls Windows 10. So those who have Windows 7.1 or 8.1 can upgrade to Windows 10. That is free as of now, and the new functionality which has been added. So almost like Windows 8 was a flop, kind of a flop. Windows 7 was little bit good, better than Windows Vista, and Windows XP we all know the super hit, parallel to Windows 95, which Microsoft have developed as a operating system. So this time with Windows 8 they have tried a lot. Windows 10 they have tried a lot to change so many things, and it's all about the fluidity so that you can use so many things as fluid as possible, and it is free as of now. So those who are trying or who are thinking to upgrade it now because it is free. And some of the things which has been new to Windows 10 which is being tried by Microsoft has been listed here, so you all can go through it. Then and can we expect this question into SSC, all the other into current affairs section? Yes, we can expect in terms of date, which date Microsoft, or what is the newest Microsoft operating system which has been allowed to upgrade as free. So in that case, it will be Windows 10, and the date will be of 29th because it's US time zone. It is 29th Indian time zone. It become 30. So you can take it as you can use the Wikipedia to get the exact date, and we will count it as the US time zone time date as per the formal publications of Microsoft. Kalyani Group and Rafale joint venture to make Spike missiles. So this is not a kind of a current affair question, but it is definitely kind of a information where you all can keep in mind. This may come into group discussion. This may come into NDA. After NDA, CDS, you go into group discussion and SSB for 5 days. So there are many other defense related post interview happens. So in those kind of interviews, doing those kind of discussion, or in UPSC kind of information, you need to keep updated with the Kalyana Group and Rafale joint venture for Spike missiles. What is Spike missile and how does it work? So the explanation is given below. Devjani Ghosh appointed as the new president of MAIT MATE. So, who is the vice president of sales and marketing and managing director of Intel Corporation? South Asia has been appointed as the new president of information technology hardware industry body. So, she is the first woman president of MAIT MATE, and lot many. So, can we expect this question? We can expect, but not too much. MATE is not a very renowned functionary of government of India, not even to keep a note of it. But since we are going through it, so it's better to know the person of name Devjani Ghosh. So it's a government entity. So and also we need to keep like MIT is not an important entity, but since this digital India has been taken very seriously, so we can expect this kind of questions considering the government no, full cooperation in this kind of anything related with the hardware, IT, or something related to the digital information. Government is very much inclined towards it, so we can expect this kind of question, provided the examination is kind of some inclination towards IT. Let's say into banking we have a section of marketing and IT computer, basic computer. So in those kind of papers you cannot expect into SSC, but into banking IT kind of a paper you can expect it. Facebook launches its complex version Lite in India. Just like Facebook is trying hard and hard to provide its web on mobile, and that too in a lighter format. So it is one more for version Lite for those who are accessing it on the low bandwidth mobile phone. Royal Bank of Scotland to sell private banking business to Sanctum Wealth. Not again, it's an international news, so not to worry. Asian Development Bank Center Inc. 300 million loan for National Urban Health Mission NUHM. So Asian Development Bank, again, what is Asian Development Bank? It's a bank between India. Big countries have just, if you all know, big countries have incorporated a bank in Hong Kong, Shanghai, and the first president is of India. Who is the first president of Asian Development? No, 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 no. I'm a little bit confused. This is not that is like BRICS bank. It is Asian Development Bank is it's a different thing. It's a old bank. Okay, sorry for that. No, some information goes here and there, and then we just get confused with Asian Development Bank with the BRICS bank. Say headquartered in Asian Development Bank is a quite a old bank, and we should not confuse with the bank which just been incorporated among the BRIC nations. Again, China becomes the world largest producer and consumer of potato. Again, we can miss China who, but sometime into SSC exam you can expect like, who is the biggest producer, who is the biggest consumer of potato. So China and no, it's very easy to guess from any point of view. The population is too much of China. Now on 31st of July 2015, India surpassed China population by 2007. Again, same population load, India is going to cross the same way, the speed which we are into. By 2012, we will cross China, and so there is no kind of current affairs we can expect of it. Just an information. David Tatler appointed as the new CEO of Procter and Gamble. So new again we can expect into current international affairs. PNG. So many things we use on daily basis from PNG, from shampoo to this, soaps and all these things. Kotak launches Kotak Bharat mobile banking application for unbanked regions. Again, no current affairs we can expect out of it. Tata brand retained number one position in India. Again, but yes, somebody can ask like number one brand as of 2015 in India. Tata name will come out of there. Eminent vocalist Vasundhara Kombali passes away. So she was a vocalist, and can we expect this question? Yes, we can expect this question sometime. The person name is very important to remember. So and she was a renowned vocalist, not as like the North Indian kind of a Hindi cinema, but Khyala music and all those. She was very much into it. CB cancelled certificate of registration of Sahara Mutual Fund. Sahara, we all know that SEBI is in crosshead with Sahara from last so many years, and then in last year prosecuted Sahara B.R. Roy, some Roy. I'm forgetting his name, and he is still in the jail. So, so ultimately, the mutual fund which was released by Sahara is cancelled by SEBI, and that's it from current affairs point of view. You will be hearing lots of noise around me. The bikes are going. So many other noises are coming out. So it's like. I cannot wait for a very proper timing where all, because I'm doing this from a cyber cafe. So and even I cannot do it from my home because my daughter will not allow me to do that. So that's my dedication towards you guys. I'm trying my best to keep all this thing possible, even though we had some disturbance, we had some other problems coming and going along with us. But the most important thing is if I can try all my best to keep you all people updated with the current affairs and all the important things which is possible from my side. I'll be more in solace than in spite of waiting or doing something in the night 2 a.m. 3 a.m. just to make it possible. And though this cyber cafe will not be open for me at that time. Anyway, then into this government jobs, any latest government job, which as usual we also give you the information about the latest government jobs. uh, Banga Gramin Bank notified for 103 various posts, so it's almost graduate and non-graduate. So here is this information. Last date is on 13th of August, and the entry criteria will be of railway. Sorry, this RRB, IBPS, RRB, CW is third. So guys, please, if you have not filled the RRB, dates are still remaining. Not sure, but you have to check it out. High Court of Delhi notified 60 junior judicial assistant professor. Not so important. Not so important. IDP notified 13 Ministry of External Affairs of 3 legal posts. Headquarter. I'm just trying to search in anything famous, anything important, which I can inform you guys. Ministry of Defense notified recruitment for 47 labor semi-skilled MTS. This looks good. Uh, so it's like lists are out here, so you people can go through it. 10th past, 12th past. You just have to click over the last date. So any upcoming last date, I'm clicking over the last date column. BSF today was 2nd of, so BSF notified, so this date is already over. Upcoming on 3rd of August, we have NIS recruitment for 72 ABC. These people, if you can apply, just apply for it. It's a very good opening. NIS and the last date is 4th of August. And then Indian Oil Corporation notified 16 apprentice post. 5th of August, Indian Oil Corporation, 5th of August is the last date. Then anything you OPSC, no, I do not see anything, any other. See, being important or not being important depends on you, your criteria, your choices. I just try to see something is very renowned or something is very eye-catchy, so that I can update you instantly in spite of going through it. So going into the entrance exams, there is no as such any entrance exams, famous entrance exams. CAT opening CAT notification is out, so except CAT there is no famous entrance exams, no opening no notifications are out here. Okay, the upcoming last date for any no as such. CMC, Ludhiana, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open eligibility test. No, nothing. So that was for today about the current affairs and latest jobs and latest entrance exams information. If you have anything to ask to me or to the candidates over mcqforall.com, you can always use the we have the wall system over here. See, guys, people ask the questions like before 49 minutes ago somebody asked into mechanical. So and candidates are here to which reply to each other's query. So you can also ask your query, and definitely people are out here to help you out. And for any other entrance exams, almost every entrance exams is there with their study materials and previous year papers. So you don't have to go anywhere else. You just try to be here and see whatever is whatever you want to prepare is here or not. If it is not here, you can always update us saying that we want this particular exam or this thing which is not here, or something is missing or something is wrong, so that we people at mcqforall.com can take care of that and update this for a better future. Thanks for you for watching us, and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like us on our Facebook. Facebook page is mcqforall.com. Just search it on Facebook, you'll get our Facebook page. And thanks for watching us. Bye bye.